What's going on, Chill with Ant Squad? It's your boy Ant back with you guys with another video for y'all. So we're going to check out, he got reincarnated as a vending machine by none other by Philly on Mars. If you don't know who Philly on Mars is, please go check out his videos. His videos has been top notch, and especially when it comes to like, during his videos can be crazy and too much of a make you look at the screen like, it'll make you so confused. Let me just put it that way. But when it comes to Philly on Mars, his videos have been really so freaking good. And if you haven't seen my reaction videos of his videos, please go check it out. It really be top notch. And I know for a fact this is going to be a really good video. So enough wasting time. We're going to go ahead and check this out. Appreciate all the love and support. If you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, all that good stuff. Road to 1K. Let's get to it.
Okay, so basically, I ran into the isekai of all isekai! Reborn as a vending machine! It seems like they're making anything an isekai now! Reborn as a slime! Reborn as a sword! Pump it! We might as well do reborn as a dick!
Whoa! Dude, the video just started, and you're already starting the video off by saying something like that. Like, why? Oh, boy, Philly, you're something different.
Bro, come on, that sounds hard! Literally!
Nice!
Nah, for real! Back to this catastrophe of a show! It starts off with my man's on a moped, which is already red flag number one! Bro, you gotta be an itch with the B in front! Out of all the things you can use your V-Bucks on, you use it on a moped? Not to mention, my man's stature is terrifying! Discord dweller moderator status! Wait, is that Clark Kent? Oh no! Now me personally, when I see straps getting loose, I cover my booty hole! I peep what my man Clark Kent done! Oh no, that vending machine is about to fall! I must save it! Oh, Snapple Apple!
Oh!
Blood is not Superman! Huh? Wait a minute! I'm a vending machine!
So this dude legit tried to save the vending machine. He got killed, and he got reincarnated as a vending machine. Damn, that's crazy.
Well, I mean, I guess I always wanted to be double stuffed like an Oreo.
Pause. Hear ye, hear ye.
So yeah, this show is real, and you come to find out that there's a point system. 1 point equals 1 hour of life. You gain points by selling items, but my man's got the worst spawn point of all time. Bro looked up the wrong scene. Oh no, I'm in the middle of nowhere. How else am I supposed to let people eat up my insides? Plot armor.
Frogs.
Bro, is that the frog forger? Yep, a mythical frog just pulls up out of nowhere and proceeds to beat my man like I would want Ice Spice to do to me.
Oh my god, we are like a minute and a half in this video and you're nope, let me not say something before I get way out of pocket.
Pause.
Their ability going down.
So another thing my man has to worry about is his health bar. The good thing is my turtle man's is throwing dream punches. My man was shooting blanks with the beats. Ribbit.
So he called the whole squad.
Oh no, now my man's in a turtle bang. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? All these big brolicky turtles are literally breaking my back. I feel like this shawty right now. Wait a minute. Philly. What goes through your mind when you make your videos? I really want to know. But that picture that you posted on not too long ago, why? Just why? Oh my god. I have the option to domain expansion? Let's go!
Oh!
Get wrecked, monkeys!
Those are frogs!
Yup, my man just turned into the cube from Fortnite. Then proceeded to consume a chug jug and gain his durability back. However, my man has still made no revenue like a 4X N-word. Time skip, damn, I can't believe I'm about to die! Let's go and go in the middle of nowhere with me! Pockets? Maybe? I'm so hungry and need food!
Man, I fell down to my knees when the
What's that? Ooh, this shit kinda look like the battle pass!
What's good, bitch? Insert currency.
This thing need money? Let's try this! Did it just moan?
me get it together.
Insufficient funds.
Let's try this. I'm about to blow. Oh, let's go. Let me click this.
Drop sound effect.
Now what?
Stick your hand in me, bit.
Huh?
Put your hand in my lower area, bit.
Nope.
Oh my god, bro. This is something else, bro.
Oh, your inside juices taste so good! So after slurping up all my man's juices, she does what any shawty would do to me after consuming me like a mini shield.
Nah.
Picks him up like a little slut and brings him home!
You're coming home with me, boy.
What the skadoodle? Hold on, let's take a little breaky wakey. Let me gobble you up real quick.
What comes up with creators when it comes to anime make shows like this? Like, I'm really confused at this point. I'm sorry.
Then she pulls up on these two freaking losers! Not only would I beat these guys in a boxing match, but how does my man's here have a box cut with a widow's peak? I'm not trying to get ethical, political, or geographical, but how were you able to equip this cut? I know for a fact you don't know how to electric slide. And this other dude?
My man got the bead!
He's just bald! Pump that guy!
Ooh,
I had to say it.
This man has eyebrows in the back of his head, bald ass N-word.
That wasn't very nice.
Shut up, Johnny Good Deeds! Go! Now after these guys served up all the bros juices like a Lil Nas X music video shoot, Shawty somehow runs into a girl getting bullied, no Rockstar Games!
Hey, little girl. Insert cupcake joke. What the fadoodle?
Get her! Shawty missed that punch like I missed my ex! Exceptional! Come with Gamer Subs, go ahead and use code Mars. Anyways,
Please.
my man set up camp and started getting hella customers like an OnlyFans model with a fat bottom region. Ho started slurping him up like he was a fresh tata to a newborn child.
Whoa!
Shit, at this point, I gotta see what this man's cooking. Yes, one titty milk, please.
You need some help. I'm sorry.
But no cap, dizzily! Just like OnlyFans models Cooter McCatter, my man started to get a little too saturated. So we had to switch up his inventory.
Oh shoot, new DLC items. Drop sound effect.
Hey, yo!
Hey! Oh my god! I'm done, bro.
That just enthralled my whole throaty woody. Oh, and it's so creamy.
Hard,
My man started to Oprah or Will Chamberlain. Pump it, everybody in town getting glizzy. With all that being said, I think there was one guy who couldn't bear it anymore.
Crap.
Come on, that was a good one.
That was. I'll give you that.
Now you wouldn't believe the direction that the show is about to take. Why is it so squirty?
Bear noises.
Crap.
Wait, is Shawty about to attempt to fight these dudes? Last time I checked, Shawty got the punch accuracy of a noodle stick. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Great googly, I actually hit it. I hit it good too. Wait a minute, Divine Vending Machine Giat balance out her power? We may be a better duo than Demi Lovato and Cocaine.
Wow. Wow. That's how you feel, Philly? You wrong for that.
Focus. Comment.
Did you say what I think you said? Oh, hell nah.
My body, power of the squirter.
What?
Reddit, please do that again. They keep respawning.
Now with all these turtles respawning, like me going round 15 with my bottle of lotion, and everybody else on the battlefield, other than Squirt Girl, having a combined skill level of a singular fruity pebble, they needed new reinforcements.
What about that, Philly?
Yo, Asta, shut up!
Reddit from the sky.
Yo, man, extension!
You just got knocked the freak out.
Yo.
Now hold up, what I need y'all to do is peep the power of
That cowboy. Oh, yo, damn, bitch. I see your little power you got with that little punch.
Captain. Don't flatter me like that. You got me blushing. It's Perry.
Enemies incoming, enemies incoming, enemies incoming. Bit.
Listen, imagine being the head cowboy and a vending machine has to save you out of a situation. All I'm saying is, why is she choosing him and not me? That's why bro can't grow a beard properly. That's why bro got no swag. Notice how bro doesn't have a chain. Cause I snatched it.
Bruh.
Captain. This man took my other girl? Wait a minute, is that a magic stick? So she be squirting with her magic stick.
Ladies and gentlemen, now presenting Reborn as a Magic Stick.
Oh man, I feel bad for all these booty warriors. Let me help them out with free water. Drop sound effect. This gotta be the equivalent to letting the whole football team hit. Me personally, ain't nobody getting none free from me. But speaking of letting people dig up in your insides, peep this guy. Yo, who is this dude who looks like Albert Einstein off the Hennessy? Wait, whoa.
What are you doing?
What are you doing blowing my cover?
Drop sound effect.
Oh, snap apple, free water. Yeah, you little good boy. Yeah.
Oh!
Now speaking of being uncomfortable and looking like you gotta unload the load, let's talk about BBL. Because trust me, if times ever get tough, I will be purchasing me a premium BBL. Like this.
Nah. Philly, I have to ask, what goes through your head saying these type of nonsense when you make these videos? Like, what drives you like that, bro? Like, I want to know. Like, oh my God.
Vending machine.
Ribbit XD.
Holy cannoli, what is that thing? I don't know, but it looks fired up. That was a good one.
Yeah, he looks really heated. Holy crap. What do I do? Hold on, let me do some coke. Now let me turn into the coke body.
Whoa.
Man's got a new rack back in a fupa pack. What is this? Drop sound effect. Oh shoot, how do I as a vending machine communicate to how to do this?
Stick it in, stick it in, stick it in.
Why is this machine so kinky?
Squirt bit, squirt bit, squirt bit.
Wait a minute, if I stick this in this hole, then I can make it squirt. Bloop, 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 bloop. Y'all ready? Squirt
I am
in his eyes.
done.
Bro couldn't handle getting squirted on. Just letting all the ladies know watching this video, I can handle it.
Yeah, I'm ending this video because, yo. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am a really lost for words what I just watched. But that is really one crazy video of the fact that Philly, he comes up with the craziest ideas when it comes to making these videos. Like, I don't know how he does this, but if you enjoyed this video so much, comment down below what you enjoyed about it. I appreciate the time, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell notification every time I post. I'll catch y'all guys later. Roll to 1K. This is Chill With Ant, signing out.